Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best TIG welding machines on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. HeroCut TIG Welding Machine. The HeroCut TIG Welding Machine is a versatile and efficient tool for both professional welders and enthusiasts. It offers a wide output current range catering to multiple welding processes and supports varying output voltages. With an efficiency rating of 85%, it minimizes energy waste, making it an economical choice for commercial and residential use. The machine is built with an insulation class of F and a protection class of IP21s, ensuring user safety. Its compact dimensions make it easy to transport and store, making it suitable for various locations. The machine features a built-in wire feeder, a post-flow time of 3 seconds, and an input voltage of 220 V with a rated input power capacity of 5.2 kVA and an input current of 24 A. Its duty cycle of 60% allows for extended use without overheating, making it suitable for professional applications. Number 4. ARCCAPTAIN TIG Welding Machine. The ARCCAPTAIN TIG Welding Machine is a reliable and efficient TIG welding machine designed for both amateur and professional welders. It offers high-performance welding capabilities, C and FCC certification, and a standard US plug for convenience. The machine is not classified as a smart device, but its straightforward design allows for easy operation. Made in mainland China, it boasts high-quality manufacturing processes for durability and longevity. Additionally, it contains none of the high-concern chemicals, making it a safer choice for both the user and the environment. The machine's straightforward design allows for easy operation without the need for complex interfaces. The machine's origin is proudly made in mainland China, ensuring durability and longevity. Number 3. SUSEMSE TIG Welding Machine. The SUSEMSE TIG Welding Machine is a reliable TIG welding machine that caters to both professionals and hobbyists. It offers a balance of quality, safety, and efficiency with robust specifications and certification compliance from C, FCC, RoHS, KC, and C. Made in mainland China, this machine reflects the latest technological advancements in welding equipment, combining cost-effectiveness with performance. Its plug type is an EU plug, ensuring compatibility in various regions. The machine is user-friendly, allowing novices and seasoned welders to achieve optimal results with minimal learning curve. Its versatile applications include automotive repairs, artistic metal fabrication, and industrial projects, with precision arc capabilities, ensuring clean and accurate welds every time. The machine's design is user-friendly, allowing both novices and seasoned welders to achieve optimal results with minimal learning curve. Number 2. HZXVOGEN TIG Welding Machine. The HZXVOGEN TIG Welding Machine is a versatile and reliable welding machine suitable for both novice and professional welders. It offers 3 distinct welding functions: TIG AC/DC welding for aluminum and non-ferrous materials, ARC MMA stick welding for heavy-duty applications, and TIG pulse welding for thin materials and intricate projects. The machine operates on an AC voltage of 220 V plus or minus 10% at 50-60 Hz with a rated input power of 5.8 kVA. It has an ARC rated output of 180 A 27.2 V and a TIG rated output of 200 A 18 volts. C certified. It meets rigorous safety and quality standards. The intuitive design makes it easy for beginners to operate. Equipped with an EU plug, it is ready to use in regions with compatible electrical systems. Number 1. HITBOX TIG Welding Machine. The HITBOX TIG Welding Machine is a versatile tool suitable for both amateur and professional welders. It offers multiple welding functions, including TIG AC/DC, ARC MMA stick welding, and TIG pulse welding. The machine operates on a rated input voltage of AC 220 V plus or minus 10% at 50-60 Hz, with a rated input power of 5.8 kVA and a rated input current of 26.3 A. It offers a wide range of output currents, from 10 to 200 A for TIG welding and 20 to 120 A for MMA arc welding. The machine's user-friendly design ensures stable arc performance, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. The machine is certified with the CE mark, ensuring compliance with European safety standards. Originating from mainland China, the build quality is robust and durable, making it ideal for frequent use. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.